Welcome back to Quiz Mind. Do you think you can guess the smartphone just by the ringtones? Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Mind channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's listen to the first ringtone. Do you recognize this melody? Apple. Guess the phone brand. Got an idea of the brand? Sony Ericsson. Next ringtone. Did you find the answer? BlackBerry. Find the odd one out. Guess the phone brand. Which phone brand does this ringtone belong to? Vivo. Let's move on to the next ringtone. Panasonic. Guess the phone ringtone. Samsung. Would you rather have iPhone 16 or Pixel 8? Guess the phone ringtone. Nokia. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Did you figure it out? LG. Guess the phone brand. Asus? Let's keep going. 3, 2, 1. What do you think? Infinix. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.